In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Brave wallet on desktop. By the end, you'll have a new Brave wallet created in the Brave browser, protected with a password, and safely backed up with your recovery phrase so it's ready to use. First, create a new wallet. Open Brave browser on your desktop. In the top right corner, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, and then click Wallet. This opens the built-in Brave wallet interface so you can start the setup. On the welcome screen, click Get Started. You'll see options for how you want to proceed. Select Create New Wallet. This begins the process of generating a new wallet that only you control on this device. Now, create a strong password. In the password field, type a unique password that's hard to guess. Use a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing a password from another site. This password is used to unlock Brave Wallet on this computer. When you're done, click Continue. If the button is disabled, double-check that your password meets the strength requirements shown on screen. Next, save your recovery phrase. The recovery phrase is a series of words that can restore your wallet if you forget your password or move to a new device. On screen, reveal the phrase and carefully write down every word in the exact order shown. Do not store it in screenshots, cloud notes, or email. Keep it offline and never share it with anyone. Anyone with this phrase can access your funds. Take a moment to confirm the spelling and the sequence as you write. If you need more time, pause here until you have it recorded clearly in at least 2 secure places. Once that's done, verify the phrase. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm the words in the correct order. Click each word as requested until the verification is complete. If something doesn't match, go back to your written copy and check for small mistakes like swapped words or extra spaces. When the verification succeeds, click Finish Setup. At this point, your Brave wallet is created and unlocked. You should see the wallet home screen with your accounts and balances. If the wallet interface opens to a dashboard, that confirms everything worked. From here, you can view your public addresses, receive assets, and explore features inside the Brave browser, knowing your wallet is protected by your password and recoverable with your recovery phrase. Your Brave wallet on desktop is now fully set up and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.